Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to run Gemma model on Google Colab with the utilization of free GPU provided by Google Colab. So Gemma is an open source model of Google and we will see how to run this on Google Colab. So first we will understand the idea of how we can use this model, and this model support text and image. It will also support the image part, so we can also upload the image directly to the model without any without any external library use. So this model support image and text, so we will see how we can directly connect Gemma with image and text. So this is going to be very interesting video, so let's get started. So I have opened Google Colab. If you don't know how to use Google Colab, just go to and search Google Colab. Here you can sign up and use these Jupyter notebooks. These notebooks. So I have opened Google Colab and now understand how to run. So first you need to go on runtime and select through runtime to T4 GPU. First you need to select on GPU. So this is the notebook where you will run a Gemma model with the T4 free GPU, and this model support text and input. So if you go to this link where you get the official model from Hugging Face. So this is the model from available in Hugging Face, like Gemma 3B 4 billion model. So this is the model. It supports 140 languages and available in more sizes, and has context length 128K context window, and support input text string and such as questions. So it has also supports images with has a resolution of 896 and 896. So it has these billions parameter like 4 billion, 12 billion and 27 billion. This model available in these sizes. So we can just use this. We need to import transformer is a library from Hugging Face, so we can use any open source model with this transformer library, and then torch to extract the or connect the uh, weights of the model. Then the CUDA, because we are using GPU, then we need to select a device which is CUDA, and then this is the model name, and then converting the torch data type into float 16. So this is the pipeline. We can just directly copy this and we can get the model, and then this is the message prompt and output. So we can manage the output to tokens, like here we have 200 token, but we can generate more new token in the output. So this is the idea where we get how to use and run this model, but I have already built proper notebook, so we just need to run this one by one. So it's time to run this cells one by one, so let's run this cell. And you need Hugging Face token, so to log in, because we are using Hugging Face library. So you can generate the token from here on Hugging Face website from access token. So you can generate that token. So let's run this cell and let's take the GPU. So we have Tesla T4 GPU available. And here is the text part only. So this section only for text generation. So text to text generation. So let's run this. So it will load the model and download the model from Hugging Face. Like we are using here Gemma 34B, which is a 4 billion model, and tokenizer, and then the model and model ID and device map is auto and float. So we have seen this code in Hugging Face also, and we are using the same code in Google Colab. So it will take some time to download, and we have set up the models, and the size is 8.60 GB. So we don't need internet, it will automatically fetch the models on the Google internet, so we just don't need to go into that. So this is the helper function to chat with Gemma, and let's run this function. And this is the function, this is the place where we can write anything and ask anything related to Gemma. So I have just write explain quantum computing in simple terms. So it will take time to generate response based on the question and based on the token. So I have mentioned the output token, which is 256. So it will generate new character, new words, 256 new words, and temperature is 0.4, 0.7, and then the tokenizer apply chat and message add generation type, and the tensor is pt is pytorch, and the output model generation and input token. So we just need to write this much code, and this is our output. So it has written the quantum computing in simple terms. And then the another question I have asked, write a short poem about the ocean. So let's ask one more question. So I have asked what is Python. So this is our first part. We have seen text generation, text to text generation, but in the second part we will see Gemma with image input. So we will see multimodal. So Gemma supports image part, and we will see the upload the image and then see how it will respond. So here is the answer. Python is a programming language set of instruction computer what to do. So high level programming language. So this is the answer of Gemma. We can verify this and we can read that. So now we will run the second part, Gemma with image input. So Gemma also support the image. So we will directly provide the image and see the result. So to run that, we just need to disconnect and delete the runtime again, because we have utilized all the space of GPU. So we just need to disconnect and delete the runtime. Then again run the code. So if we run this with the same GPU, if we not disconnect, then it will fail the execution. So we just need to disconnect it, and let's run this cell. So I have run the model and I have run the setup. Then let's load the image. So I will directly upload the image from here. So this is the image, and let's upload this. So this is the image we have, and this is the image of invoice, and let's run this. This is the same helper function we have seen, but it is taking not just the text, or but it is having the image in input. And let's run this and describe this image in detail. So this is the response, like this image is professional looking invoice, likely a construction or renovation project. So here are the details of the image, and if you want this image in a proper JSON format, then just need that extract the data of the image in proper JSON format. So this is the extracted data. Like we can extract the data in JSON format with this Gemma model. So this is how it works with image, and there is no such thing. It also support the image and text part. So we can run Gemma model with text and image. And I have used 4 billion model, and we can also use 12 billion. And we can also use 12 billion, 27 billion models. It is open source models, and we can use that. But it's important to understand whether it support our GPU, free GPU or not, because we have only 15 GBs of free GPU provided by Google Colab. So, and it is already taking the GPU maximum space. So we just need to consider that, and we can use this model easily. So this is the video, guys. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.